If you've decided to delete your HBO Max account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your HBO Max account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the account you wish to delete. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Subscription. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Subscription or Billing section. This will provide you with details about your current plan and payment information. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. This step is crucial as you must cancel your subscription before you can delete your account. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 5. Delete accounts. After cancelling your subscription, return to the account settings. Look for the option to delete your account. Follow the instructions provided and confirm your decision to permanently delete your account. Once you have completed these steps, your HBO Max account will be deleted permanently. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.